All right, we're gonna film the elevator in here. Can't really see it, it's blocked by the trees. Right there is Old Main. Was gonna film the elevator there too, but as you can see, it's closed for some sort of remodeling. It wasn't that interesting to begin with. It was just some generic hydro with the innovation mod. It's a foreign languages building. There's the elevator. One of these. It smells clean in here though, it smells nice. This might have a decent motor. Ooh. Alright, let's hear this motor. Oh, that's right, that did have an epic motor. We'll go down to B and we'll listen to it one more time on the way up. Good cab view on the way up. Very nice. Again, I don't know what this was. This might just be another original behind. This might have just been put in the 90s or 2000s.